Previously on our channel, we have done a fair few unboxings on some DJ and homestyle wireless headphones, but today, well, we've been sent some wide versions. These are indeed the Oneodio Studio HiFi high resolution headphones. They are specifically a good use for DJs with recording equipment, keyboards and simply your mobile phone. Inside the box, we get a very detailed user manual. Okay, so that's good. We get some precise instructions on how to daisy chain these headphones to a second set of Oneodio headphones. So basically, yeah, you can share the music from one single device. We do get, a very snazzy pull cord bag. One that we have previously seen on most of our reviewed Oneodio headsets. The only difference though is that this one feels a bit thicker and very much more durable. Inside, obviously, we have the, we have the headphones, but these certainly do look f***ing nice, man. Now, they are extremely light headphones. They do weigh around 260 grams. Those 50mm driver units are not only adjustable, swiveling back and forth, but they are also fully extendable, not only to fit your ear's natural geometry, but these headphones will fit any size head too. To the side of those drivers, we have them very distinctive Oneodio vinyl looking side discs. Yes, those side discs are very iconic with the Oneodio brand, with a nice chrome Oneodio logo, which is central, with some chrome edging around the inner and outer side of the headphones. To the top of the headband, again, we get that Oneodio brand which is embedded, with nice plush PU leather padding on the inner side, with matching very thick 4.5 inch by 3.5 inch wide, skin friendly, protein leather padded ear pads. As you can see, there are those L and R icons printed on the inner side of the lining, so it's going to be very good and easy to see when putting these headphones on. And when these headphones are indeed placed upon my head, they not only feel quite firm, but they do feel very much stuck in place, with no worry about them falling off. Now, these are indeed over-the-ear headphones, and we've basically got to note that they do feel quite pressurised on the top of my ears. So ever so slightly at the bottom, I do feel like there is some sound leakage, which is improved a bit after adjusting that headband to my desired fitment. As mentioned, these are not Bluetooth headphones. We are, however, supplied with a 3.5mm to 3.5mm 1.2 meter length audio cable, which has a microphone and an audio control module fitted halfway down the cable. This cable basically fits to the left-hand driver, which basically slots in just like so. Now, as well as that 3.5mm cable, we are also supplied with a 6.35mm to 3.5mm cable that is more suited, as mentioned, for DJs, DJ equipment, for mixers, and even laptops or PCs. Now, with both those cables supplied, as mentioned before, you can also daisy chain these headphones, using these headphones as your primary headset. You can use that 3.5mm cable, plug it into the left-hand driver, then connect it, for example, to your PS5 controller, and then go ahead and connect that 6.35mm cable into the right earphone socket on this headset, connecting that 3.5mm end into your second set of Oneodio headphones. So basically, yes, you can daisy chain as many headphones as possible, really, as long as they're Oneodio, which is basically good when you want to watch those late night movies, get cozy with your popcorn, or join in just watching a bit of PS5 gameplay. Now, when it comes to the audio, with these Oneodio Studio HiFi headphones, I've got to be quite honest, just check out my initial reaction. Woo! Wow! Oh yeah! Yeah, there you go. The treble with these headphones is fantastic. Not only that, the volume can be pumped up to the maximum level. When that volume is at that level, the outside noise is somewhat sealed off from the outside world. And, well, with that bass, you get some jam-packed, thumping bass with these headphones. Note, by the way, that bass doesn't take over all the other tones. So it's not like those budget headsets that you get for like £16 to £20. That simply a company packs a lot of bass in just to cover all the other poor tones. No. In fact, the mid-tones with this headset, they are very much crystal clear, very well balanced, and that's the same with the low tones too. Now, with regards to surround sound, the polarity with both drivers, brilliant. Now, because these are wired headphones, and you may think, well, wired headphones are a bit dated, why not buy some wireless ones? I've got to be truly honest, for wired headphones, these sound absolutely superb, and I think they would be great to use in conjunction with a mixer, DJ equipment, or simply plugging it into your record player at home and blasting some of that old school vinyl. The comfort is good for long use, so I've used these for over 4 hours. Alright, they felt a bit sweaty after 4 hours, but then after that I was exhausted anyway through dancing around the living room. So yeah, pretty good headphones, a high resolution headset with a price of £39, that's 53 US dollars. Now I'm going to leave a link for these headphones in the video description down below. You can go and check them out for yourselves. I can highly recommend these headphones, and the reason being is because we're gonna give them a 9 out of 10. And that's only because we did get a little bit of sound leakage and a bit of pressurization to the top of our ears. But other than that, fantastic headphones. And if you have liked what you've seen today, well, check that link out in the video description and go get yours. While you're there guys, please go ahead and smash a like on this video today, making sure to subscribe to this channel. I'd very much appreciate the support. Keeping in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now we've got loads of headphones and earphone reviews coming up in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!